Chuck Crosby Law Office. Caleb writing in that after discovering, he's actually upset, very upset. He's discovered a contractor filmed and posted video from inside his home without his permission. So apparently, contractor does work. Let's just say it's a bathroom. I'm just
just
presuming because there are a lot of commercials of these things. Bathroom finished. Contractor takes out his phone and does video and then posts it on social media. And so Caleb's a little upset that he doesn't want his bathroom out there. Can contractors legally record and share footage from private property?
There's nothing that I know of specifically for contractors. In general, there are certain privacy restrictions for anybody. You know, if I walk into your house and I start taking video and posting it, there may be issues. If I do it for a commercial purpose, there may be other issues. There may be rights being violated, etc. If I'm taking pictures of things that have in the background that are private, expectations of privacy, there's all manner of variables that would reflect on this. What I would do is talk to an attorney that deals in that kind of thing, or maybe first I'd call the contractor and say, take it down. I will tell you that recently in packages, loan packages, certain lenders are putting in waivers for folk who have their picture to allow it to be posted on social media. So you know how they always get those pictures with the key or the hey, I said yes to the address, whatever. Before that gets posted, generally the lenders will get a waiver signed allowing them to do that. I suspect whatever rule is generating that would also relate to a contractor.
Apply to that. Got it.
Yeah.
If you'd like to see marketing that actually moves homes, folks, watch our high-impact listing and more videos at LouisvilleHomesTV.com. That's LouisvilleHomesTV.com.